Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Look how cool it is.
Hello, we are on an adventure, so just came around to the forest right here, and then we're going back.
Come on, kid. Yeah, can you kids stay here? I'll take a photo. Liam, stay there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be lots of see, there's more. How is it going now?
This is the aquarium.
No, just listen.
It's a fire. Wait, what's in there then?
We're talking about forest rivers, river systems.
Oh, there's a fish.
Do you see the fish, Nalu? What do you call him?
Uppy.
Wow, Uppy fish, how are you?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, yeah. Wait, kids. See, come and have a look here.
See, Papa.
And look, see the Kashwari and the baby Kashwari. Oh, yeah.
This one is small because it's a mommy one.
Is it?
Yeah, and this one
I
is
thought that's a small one.
daddy one.
You just stay there, Amal. Come on. What is that there? Yeah?
I think it's a bear.
Oh, yeah. Yeah?
No. Books. Come, look.
Oh, yeah.
Fire is twisting.
Fire costing.
Look at the books.
Yeah. So there we are at the Jurassic Forest. Nalu is doing the climbing down. Good job, Nalu. Good job. I'm going big now. You can do that. Oh, it's all a bit yucky, Nalu. Be careful. Oh, it's saying ow.
What? It's not working.
And it- 78.
Papa, can you take away a picture of me with the dinosaur?
Picture, I'm taking video.
Stop.
Yeah, not go too far more. Just there will do. I don't know if it bites some more.
It's a fake.
Fine, just kidding. Maybe the people who built it don't want you to go and touch it.
It looks like it's really breathing.
Yeah, I've got you. I can take a photo more. Just give me a second. Let's go and find the next one. Chichi, take Nalu baby too. Good job, kids. That's fine. The dinosaur.
My dinosaur this one.
Yeah, mine is this
Oh,
one.
another one. Berry.
Oh. So that is a Australopithecus. hectares. How are you doing? Oh, you closing your eye.
That's a quantisaurus. That's a quantus name.
I don't think they got it wrong. They probably thought about it 20 times before
I want
naming
to
it.
feel that.
Adele. Autumn. Adele, look. Yeah, Adele, look. Adele, look. Adele, look. Okay.
And then it says still. Yeah.
Good job. What does it say, Nalu?
Mine's not working anymore. You need to.
Saw that fig tree, the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so fig trees are
Wait,
really...
which one's old?
That one. Where the auntie is standing. Oh yeah, look at that. That's just like the other. Remember we saw the other fig tree? It's just like that. Wow, that's huge.
What's happening? Over there.
Oh,
That's the baby one.
I think we saw the baby one, Amo.
No, we didn't. It didn't have stripes on it.
Ilya? Beautiful cassava. Ah? No. Okay, we're coming. Let's go to mommy then. Yeah, come, follow me. Follow me. Ah, I'm coming. You go now. You go. Follow me. Legs straight. Hold on to your hands. One hand. under the bag. I'm following you. You are lucky. Yep, that way. Good job, Nando. There's a reptile there. Snakes. You saw?
Yep.
Any snakes, Adele?
The snakes, his name is Pippa. That's one is.
Oh, look at that guy.
And the last snake over here. Papa, that one is someone else's. And Papa, the snake changed into his snake skin. The snake's skin came, but it only happens like once in a year. It doesn't happen every day.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I follow you. You keep going. Nothing we can left. Yeah, I just swing. Swing time. Where's the sing?
Wait, get up.
Stay there. Hey. Oh, who lost this? Heliguta? Eh? What about? Okay. Hey, Nalu. You okay? Good walking straight. You come with me, Nalu. I'll show you. അതാണ് കസവരി തിന്നണ കായ. It's like a wild pea.
Papa, what's that? Papa, what's that round?
Hey, Nalu. You okay?
We're optimistic group, I reckon.
You're supposed to bring some with you. Last trip of the day, we're allowed. Now we'll just get the boat away from the jetty and I'll explain a little bit about exactly where we are at the moment. A little bit about the environment that we have surrounding us.
Yeah.
What we're going to do for our time on the river and hopefully what we might see. Alright, so the Daintree River, one of North Queensland's larger, easily accessible 4 kilometres inland. Now the ocean is out through the nose of the boat. That's a southeasterly direction. We're looking downstream. So from here to the river mouth, 11 point this morning at 7:30 we had a high tide of 1.8 metres. This ran out to a low tide of 11:30 of 0.87 of a metre. And after midday the river is now starting to rise again. We're pushing up to a high tide of 6 o'clock, just over 2 metres. Now we've got to digest its feathers. So we'll have this time of the year egrets, spoonbills, snake-neck darters, cormorants. They all come to our part of the river to feed during our colder months, and then they will leave in October, November. Once the water starts getting warm, the crocodiles start taking food. There you go, man. Any term of juvenile is something under the age of 5 and 6. Now as a growth rate, when little crocodiles come out of eggs, they're about 170 mil when they first break the act. I can see, yep. So downstream from the lily, 4 metres downstream. Right, so towards the front of the boat. So you've got the lily there, 4 metres towards the nose of the boat. He's hiding behind the tallest skinny tree in the middle of the boat. Yeah, you got him?
Do you want to come inside the boat?
Now, aquatic reptile. So these guys spend a lot of their time in the water as they get larger. In size like this, little fellows spend about 80 to 90% of their time
Under the tree.
reason being, that saves them being eaten by.
No more here, next.
Alright.
Yeah. See you later.
She was named 17 years ago due to where she's been hanging around for her whole life. The boats up in front of us, they belong to a gentleman called Bruce Belcher. So she's always hung around here, so we nicknamed her Bruce. We're gonna wiggle our way a bit closer in yet. See the crocodile, mate? Look up there. That's a lady crocodile. That's a girl one.
The crocodile.
Simulation. If I tried to approach in a small aluminium dinghy, she'd be gone. She'd be well and truly into the water. She trusts these big boats because we bring nothing for her. We have no food. We're not going to take the boat in that close that we make her go into the water. And she'd rather put up with a bit of invasion of her privacy as opposed to go into the water and lose all of her body temperature. She's on the bank because the water's cold. At the moment,
Why?
because it's winter time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got the river is around 18 to 20 degrees. During our summertime, it gets up to... Now she'll stay there on the bank until about probably 6 o'clock tonight. At that stage, the air is going to start to chill Once the atmosphere becomes cooler than the water, she's back in the water. Tomorrow morning, we'll talk about the plan. And the Daintree River, our river we're on this afternoon, we have 37 true mangrove species and 4 hybrids. The Daintree is the most mangrove diverse river system in the world. All to do with salt water as it's pushed inland by the rising tide. We have saline conditions in the river for the first 20 kilometres as we come away from the coast, and the river itself is actually tidal for 30. So depending on the saline conditions, this plays home to different species of mangroves. Now what we have here are the river mangroves. This is a tree that's right down low, with a small white flower on it. That's where the beekeepers get a honey off that flower. They call it mangrove honey. Long legs coming off the trees. These are called stilt roots or prop roots. They're the rise off from mangroves. If we were to come into the river from the ocean, this is more the root structure we see in the more marine part of the river system, or the saltier part of the river. Now later on tonight, around 10 o'clock, we are going to be rising up to a big high tide. Water's going to be up above our heads. All of the root systems that we're looking at will be submerged. Now when this happens, the trees don't hold their breath. They keep breathing by drawing all necessary gases out of the root structure. And those large ribbon roots on the bases of the trees, there's 96 hours worth of breathing gas inside those roots. So basically every 4 days, the tree roots need to see the atmosphere, breathe in, store gases, and get ready for the returning submerging cycle. Back in the late 1800s, they had the same country on it. It's on the side of the mountains, type 1A lowland rainforest. Early pioneers from England rolled up in the 1800s, chopped down all the large trees, took them back to London. The remaining landscape was kind of opened up a little bit. Graziers started running dairy cattle, and this extended from the 1920s up to the 1960s. Then the area was used for sugarcane up until the early 80s, and then middle of the 80s we saw the area reverted back to beef cows, and that's what occupies the country now. Shellback ducks or vertical ducks. Fine, dry again, eh? Up and down like a yo-yo, eh?
Oh yeah.
Right, this is a 23-year-old female crocodile. Now, for many, many years, she was misidentified as a boy. This was all to do with she is one of the few crocodiles that have been handled by humans. When she was 2 years old, she came to the surface in a barramundi survey. This is undertaken by the National Park Rangers, and what they do is they elect eardrums, almost in the centre of the head. Long canals carry sound from the ear flaps to the eardrums. This gives a very accurate sound orientation.
So they don't have to eat the fish.
When we get back, we'll eat some ice cream.
Normally when we're on the ground, we have to make that
But
funny
the
sort of
cookies
turn.
are hungry. They want to eat this cookie. Only one can. Now we banana.
What we're keeping a lookout for now is the kingfishers, the azure and the lizard. Completely covered in vegetation. Big canopy over the top consisting of rainforest and mangrove trees, and the floods just absolutely destroyed the place. Blackbeak and blackleaf, so each have their significant differences.
The big upu.
Even the yellow. The big pepper. This is the wrong way.
We can go this way too.
Another visitor from down south.
That's the coolest way that you go.
Yeah, look at these flowers.